Hi, I am Vismay. Welcome to the demo of AI Power Support Assistant. I have developed this chatbot to respond users' queries, such as frequently asked questions and credit-related queries. I have integrated OpenAI models such as a text embedding 3 small model and GPT 4.1. For the frequently asked questions, I have used a text embedding 3 small model for the embeddings, and for the credit report related queries I have used GPT 4.1. I have used tools function of OpenAI which automatically decide when to answer frequently asked questions and when to answer the credit report related queries. For the credit report related queries I have trained by uploading the PDF. Basically I have uploaded the PDF and OpenAI models GPT 4.1 which extract the data and then I am storing into the MongoDB database. So whenever I ask a question related user credit report, it will fetch from the MongoDB database and answer it. So let's start with frequently asked questions. Let's ask how it works. As you can see, it is fetching data from the frequently asked questions. Now let's ask another question. So as you can see, it is giving answer from the frequently asked questions. Now let's move to the credit report. Let's ask question about score. What is my score? So now it is fetching data from the database. As you can see, the credit score is 760, which is excellent. It is also giving other data. You can verify 760. Now let's move to the next question. How many inquiries are there? As you can see, it is showing the count of total inquiries, that is 4. You can see soft inquiries are 2 and hard inquiries 2. Okay, now ask question related to the type revolving. Okay, now let's move to the next question. What is the open date? For lender test bank A. As you can see, it is fetching data from the database, and the date is April 10, 2018. As you can see, test bank A, open date is 2018. Now ask another question. What is the balance of test mortgage? As you can see, the current balance is 25000. Now let's move to the another question. So make area of improvements for my report. As you can see, it is fetching from the database, and that is maintain low utilization, continue on time payments, and avoid new hard inquiries. And like this, AI will answer your queries. And let's ask another question which is not related to this credit report. So let's ask top 10 So as you can see, it handled the question very easily. So it only made for assist credit related queries, so it will not answer any general questions. It is fully customizable, integrate with your business tools. I have had another question in this second recording. The question is, how to get Equifax report. As you can see, it is giving the link. By clicking on the link, it will redirect to the official website. Where you can fulfill the details and get the report. Like this, you can also give the lead generation link, and after filling, you can get the customer details. Many businesses use AI assistant to respond quickly and solve customer queries without delay. Businesses such as healthcare, e-commerce, fakeboard, e-commerce, education, lead generation. For example, healthcare, if we take a scenario, suppose I am asking I have a headache and fever, then the AI checks symptoms and can gives possible causes and automatically books video consultation with a doctor. Another scenario, fakeboard, ask about open fixed deposit account. Then AI will answer with guidance Now take another scenario, which is e-commerce support bot for the Domino's. If someone sends message to Domino's on WhatsApp like I want a large pepperoni pizza, the Dom bot confirms the order, takes payment and lets customer track the delivery in real time. Let's take another scenario, which is a shopping assistant. Suppose someone asks I need weekend casual wear. The bot suggests outfits, shows pictures and links directly to buy them online. Another scenario is education bot. A new student texts, when is my financial aid due? The bot replies with the exact deadline and link to submit forms. Another example is lead generation bot. A visitor lands on B2B software website. The chatbot pops up and say want a demo. The visitor says yes, then the bot collects their information, contact information, and it will book a meeting with sales team. These were the real life scenario where AI assistant can be very useful. I can also customize the chatbot according to your business needs, so it works exactly the way you want. If you would like to chat bot like this for your own business, get in touch with me today. Thanks.